Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to add new columns in Excel. I'll show you this on Windows. Select the column to the right of where you want your new column to appear. So if you want to insert a new column before column C, click on the letter C at the top of the spreadsheet. You'll see it in that gray row that has all the column letters, A, B, C, and so on. When you click it, the entire column will light up with a colored background. Now right-click on that highlighted column header. A context menu will pop up with several options. Click on Insert. A new blank column will appear immediately to the left of the column you selected. If you clicked on column C, your new column becomes the new column C, and everything that was there before shifts one spot to the right. The old column C becomes column D becomes column E, and so on. After the column appears, you'll notice a small button pop up next to it. That's the Insert Options button, and it looks like a little clipboard or paintbrush icon. This step is optional, but if you click on it, you'll get a drop-down menu with 3 formatting choices. The default option is Format Same as Left, which means your new column will copy the formatting from the column to its left. You can also choose Format Same as Right to copy formatting from the column on its right instead, or Clear Formatting if you want the column completely blank with no formatting at all. Once your column is inserted, you can start typing headers, data, or formulas into it. If you have any formulas in your spreadsheet that reference other columns, Excel automatically updates those references when you insert a new column. And if you insert multiple columns at once, just select the same number of adjacent columns by dragging across the column headers, then right-click and choose Insert. The same number of new columns will be added. Thanks for watching.